Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, here is an update on Generations The Legacy. Now, we know that Generations has been on our screens for a very long time. Now, the update is that one of the actors leaving at the show. Now, we all know ukuthi abantu baku Generations The Legacy, they literally mean exactly that. They become the legacy of the show. But here is what Jabulani McDonald wrote. After 9 years on Generations, The Legacy, Pearl Nokolo Monama bids farewell to her role as Dr. Sipesi Hlekele. Dr. Sipesi Hlekele, you know her story, Mus. Ozenalo no Jack Mabaso and right. And I was like, okay, because people actually, it looks like they watch Generations. Let us read and see how people are feeling about her leaving the screen. And user would say, after what Mfundi Vundla did to actors who were asking better pay, I'll never watch this new Generations ever. So people are still bitter. South Africans have not forgotten. They're not saying anything about her for now, but they are not forgetting. When is Generations bidding us farewell? I doubt it's going to be anytime soon. Inini kanti farewell ye show as a whole. No, Baba. If Generation The Legacy concludes, kuzoza Generations Light or something. I'm still okay. I think Dumi wanted to say, I still get shocked. There are people still watching Generations. Yes, my baby, there are people who actually cannot afford DSTV, who cannot afford Netflix, who cannot afford Showmax or Prime or other shows. So people are forced to watch Generations. Another one says, I need this whole show cancelled ASAP. It's not going to happen anytime soon. Then DJ Naira says, guys, kungekapheli uzalo, Generations ayindawo. So I'm adding on that and saying ayindawo, whoa. Bye, Christy saying bye Spay. And then Unokusa uthi, I'm going to miss her. Ubusisa uthi ngabe useyo yeah, guys, we are brutal. Hey, did she get shot by Mbeka? We don't know. I don't watch Generations, but I'm going to go back and watch it so that I can understand why is she exiting the show. Please make sure that you come and watch the teaser. But don't forget the most important thing. Do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.